Ziyakhala. Day one, Baba. Day one. Hey, let na phakathi yabona ifoni yami inza njani. Bese sengize necamera. Hey. Hey, qala ngenza ngibe yolopho ngangani. Hambani baba.
Yeah, it don't look it. Yeah, ngithebukele.
Hey,
Kurov
ngapha.
Left and right. Hey, day one
Chana.
Ebe afika.
I'm fit. Anyway, it's fine.
Anyway.
Aside, how many scenes are we expecting to shoot today?
Oh, it's crazy.
It's gonna be crazy.
It's crazy, man.
So makeup
artist,
gonna push your episodes. But I saw a few, I think less than 10.
Yeah, less than 10. I want to cover my actors. Yeah, because of it's now and then.
My face. Back in the first 8 years. Nyokhala nina.
Uzu Owen.
Nyokhala nina. I need my people here on set. Hey. Our wardrobe. Yabona uye kuphela. Yabona ukuzumbona ukuthi wardrobe ngeqiniso. Umbona ngeuniform. Like uzithatha serious lo sese. Uzithatha serious. Yabona? Uzithatha serious umkhovu. Anyway, Maranati sizozama. No was provoking. So yeah, how are you feeling about the shoot?
About the shoot, I'm very excited and jabulile, and I can't wait to see you on TV.
Askali. Ulibambele ngashoni. Nayi transport yethu madoda, nayi transport yethu. Hey. How are you? Go ahead. Oh, go ahead. I'll be the first 8. Yeah, so I know you're the editor. He's the editor. Oh, the sound. The system. GOP. So. In terms of the lights, you were the one who was asking me about the lights.
Just 8 minutes.
8 minutes from there.
Just 8 minutes. Some few lights, and then along the way, towards what's this? The toll gate. Yeah, we're gonna get the smoke machine.
Okay, so this is our team. We are getting the umkhovu. Dedication for that guy. Says that dedicated. Ladies, so I don't know what is this place. We are here, as you can see. We are going to take some of the equipment. After here, Siago said we are shooting. Yeah. So those are the guys. They're coming with the equipment. So yeah.
I don't like cameras, but that's pass.
Hey,
but pass. No, but take pictures.
Wena lenda kusasa tindo ngemawani
Ngiyakutshela yiko
uyathi kusilomuntu lokukhuluma ngani wena ngimamkhokhi lunzi kanjani uyamandi nje lesonto ayi1 lo Bona
no mara ifoni yami ukhona today
yeah kunamhlanje kosabe khona ngithi kuset
akangifonele umuntu dalo open
Kastenjani. Let's phone yami